Today's video is on the top 3 best Christmas lights for your house. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Brizled color, changing Christmas lights. Looking for lights that can work for every holiday? These string lights offer 16 solid colors and classic holiday combinations, like multicolor for Christmas, or orange and purple for Halloween. Whether red, white, and blue for July 4th or green for St. Patrick's Day, this one set has the colors you need for all year-round celebrations. Plus, you can switch between steady or flashing modes to match the vibe of each holiday. One thing that stands out about these string lights is the memory function and timer settings. No one wants to keep resetting their lights, especially when you've already found the perfect setup. With these lights, you can set them once, and they'll remember your last setting without needing to be reprogrammed. They also offer flexible timer options. Choose from 4, 6, or 8 hours, and the lights will automatically turn off for the rest of the day. Imagine setting them to glow during your evening celebrations and not having to worry about turning them off later. You'll also know when the timer is working because the control box has a red LED indicator that lights up when it's activated. How convenient is that? Need to set the mood? These lights come with 8 levels of brightness and 10 speed settings to adjust how fast or slow they flash. Want a soft, calming glow for bedtime? Or maybe you're looking to amp up the energy for a party. You can easily tweak the settings to create the perfect atmosphere, whether it's for Christmas, Halloween, a wedding, or just a cozy night in. Worried about safety or hard to reach places? No problem. The lights come with a UL certified safety adapter, and you can control everything with a multifunctional remote. Adjust colors, brightness, speed, or even set the timer without ever needing to climb up to the lights themselves. You also have the option to control the lights with a simple switch button if you prefer. Planning to use these lights outside? No worries. The string lights are IP44 water resistant, which means they'll hold up even in rainy weather. This makes them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. So whether you're decorating your living room or adding some sparkle to your backyard, these lights will work perfectly. Just be sure to keep the power adapter and electric transformer protected from the rain, and you're good to go. So why choose these string lights over others? Compared to basic RGB lights, these come with a 44-key remote that gives you tons of color options and a pause button, so you can stop the lights on any color you like. With up to 84 different functions and the ability to autoplay through 110 modes, these lights offer endless possibilities for creating the perfect holiday display. Click subscribe like you're checking your outdoor lights for the millionth time to see if they're all still working. Number 2, best overall, Govee Smart Outdoor String Lights. Want to turn your outdoor space into a vibrant, colorful wonderland? Govee's creative DIY mode offers an incredible selection of 16 million vivid colors and 47 vibrant scene modes, allowing you to transform your garden or patio into a stunning visual display. The best part? It's super easy. Simply upload a photo to the Govee Home app and it'll automatically recognize the colors in the image and apply them to your outdoor Halloween decorations. Whether you're going for spooky or stylish, this feature lets you craft a truly personalized setup that makes your garden stand out like never before. Govee's RGBic lighting effect lets you set each LED light bulb to a different color, so your outdoor Halloween display shows off multiple colors at once. Whether you're looking to add a spooky glow or a playful vibe, these lights will help your patio pop with personality. Now, if you're someone who loves to combine lights and music, you're in for a treat with the music sync mode. These lights don't just sit still, they respond to the beat of your favorite tunes. Thanks to the integrated mic, your outdoor lights will sync with the music, dancing along in real time. Whether you're hosting a lively Halloween bash or just enjoying a quiet evening on the patio, the dynamic lighting will add an extra layer of fun. And because the lights are waterproof, you don't have to worry about rain dampening the party vibes. Your setup will keep glowing no matter the weather. When it comes to controlling the lights, it doesn't get more convenient than this. You can manage everything through the Govee Home app, or if you're feeling fancy, pair the lights with Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free voice control. Imagine walking onto your patio and saying, "Alexa, turn on the Halloween lights," and watching your yard light up with festive colors. Just a small note, for normal use, you'll need 2 ropes of 48-foot lights, and the total length should not go beyond 96 feet, including the adapter. This ensures everything works smoothly and keeps your lights running beautifully. Speaking of the outdoors, these lights are built to last. With an IP65 waterproof rating, they can handle any weather, and the shatterproof design means they're tough enough to survive the occasional bump or fall. Keep in mind, though, that the power adapter isn't waterproof, so you'll want to keep it safe. Ready to take your outdoor decor to the next level? These smart LED bulbs will give you an eye-catching display that's perfect not only for Halloween, but for Christmas and other holidays too. They also make a great gift for anyone looking to up their outdoor decor game. Number 1, our pick, Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights. Looking to create a jaw-dropping Christmas atmosphere? The Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights are just what you need. With a variety of 75 scene modes and RGB lighting, they let you customize your Christmas display in endless ways. Whether it's a silent night or a festive celebration, these lights are designed to shine bright and transform your space. Plus, they're perfect for more than just Christmas. You can change the lighting to fit any occasion. Keep in mind, though, that the setup allows you to connect up to 9 light segments and 1 extension cable, so you can craft a layout that works for your space without going overboard. What makes these lights even more special is the eye-catching lighting effects. Thanks to the unique lens design, you'll see a cool triangular lighting effect that will turn heads. The brightness of each light hits 26 lumens, so they provide plenty of illumination, and they offer a wall washing depth of more than 16 inches. If you're installing them along your house or any other flat surface, place them about 2 to 4 inches away for the best coverage. They'll cast a beautiful glow that will highlight your home's exterior in a way that's both eerie and enchanting for Halloween. Durability is key when it comes to outdoor lighting, and the Govee lights have you covered there too. They're built with added anti-UV material to protect against the sun, and they boast an impressive IP67 waterproof rating, meaning they can withstand rain, snow, and other harsh weather conditions. Even the control box and adapter are weatherproof, rated at IP65. You don't have to worry about them failing after a few seasons either. These lights are designed to last for up to 50,000 hours. With a temperature range from -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, they can handle extreme weather without any issues, making them a reliable choice for year-round outdoor decor. Installation is a breeze too. With the included VHB glue and clips, you can install each light in just 8 seconds. Every 16 feet, you'll splice through waterproof joints to securely set them up on eaves or other outdoor spots. Keep in mind though, these Govee lights can't be cut. What's cool is the smart control. With the Govee Home app, you can control the colors of each light individually, and even set a timer for your Halloween party. Plus, they're compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control your spooky lighting with just your voice. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.